Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson we are going to study the organic compounds and the terms related to them. First of all, the organic compounds. What are organic compounds? The compounds containing carbon in them are called the organic compounds. Examples are proteins, fats, methane, petrol, etc. Then another term is catenation. Catenation means the carbon has the ability to bond to each other to form long chains, branch chains, and rings, which are the closed chains of organic compounds. This self-linking ability of carbon is called catenation. The examples of organic compounds, these N-butane, the straight chain organic compound having 4 carbon atoms. Then we have the branched chain organic compounds. This is called the isobutane, also called the 2-methyl propane, as on the second carbon atom there is alkyl radical methyl. Then we have the cyclic organic compound, which is the cyclobutane. There are 4 carbon atoms and each carbon atom has 4 covalent bonds with it. Then we have alkanes, which are saturated hydrocarbons. These are the organic compounds with single covalent bond between carbon atoms. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and the members of the alkane homologous series are: first member is methane, then there is ethane, propane, methane with the formula CH4, ethane with the formula C2H6, etc. And then we have alkenes, which are unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are the organic compounds with double bond between the carbon atoms. Their general formula is CnH2n, and the members of the homologous series, it starts from the first member, that is the ethene, the double bond between the 2 carbon atoms, C2H4. Then we will have the propene, butene, so on. And we have alkynes, which are also the unsaturated hydrocarbons, and they are having the triple bond between the carbon atoms. Their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. And then we have alkyl radical. Alkyl radical is made by removing one hydrogen atom from alkane. Alkane means the hydrocarbons with single covalent bond between carbon atoms. So we have here ethane, C2H6. So when we remove one hydrogen atom from it, it becomes the ethyl. And by adding the chlorine or halogen to it, it becomes the ethyl chloride. So this is halogen attached to it. So this is alkyl halide, halogens, Cl, chlorine attached to it. Then we have another term, acyclic organic compounds. These are the organic compounds which are straight chains or branched chains. These are the organic compounds with open chain. And the examples are, this is N-butane. N-butane, straight chain. This is also called the aliphatic organic compound, means it has the straight chain, and it is named as N-butane, the straight chain. And this is the branched chain. This is called the isobutane. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. It can also be named as 2-methyl propane. Then we have cyclic organic compounds. These are the closed chains organic compound, or these are the organic compounds with rings. Here we have the examples. This is cyclobutane, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, single bond between the carbon atoms, and there are total 6 carbon atoms. So this is cyclohexane with the formula C6H12. And here we have another closed organic compound. This is called the benzene, and this is also having 6 carbon atoms, and there is a double bond alternate to each carbon atom. This double bond, then here this double bond, so alternate to the alternate double bonds with the carbon atom, and its formula is C6H6. This is cyclohexene because it has the double bond between the carbon atoms. Then we have the isomers. Isomers means the organic compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. They are called the isomers. So this is N-butane having 4 carbon atom, and this is the isomer of butane. This also has 4 carbon atoms. The number of carbon and hydrogen atoms are same, but the structural arrangement is different. This can also be called 2-methyl propane. Then we have homologous series. Members of the organic compounds which differ in ethylene CH2 group are called the members from same homologous series. For example, if we see the homologous series of alkane, methane is the first member, then ethane is the second, C2H6, then propane, C3H8, and then butane, pentane. So these all members of the homologous series of alkane, they are differing with ethylene group CH2. There is a difference of CH2. Their physical properties are different, but chemical properties are same. Then we have another term related to organic compounds, that is functional group. Functional group is an atom or groups of atoms giving family of the organic compounds its characteristics, chemical and physical properties is called a functional group. So we have this functional group here with this organic compound. This is the OH functional group. This is called alcohol, and the name of this organic compound is methyl alcohol. We have another functional group. This is amine functional group, and the name of this organic compound is methyl amine. Thank you, students.